Hi everyone, Agnieszka here from Publitas Customer Success Team. In this video, we'll talk about how to auto-tag your publication based on the SKUs in a PDF. This feature is available on our enterprise plans. Auto-tagging is a great time saver, especially when your PDF references a lot of products. Thanks to this feature, you can create product hotspots for your entire publication with just a few clicks. The feature works by matching SKUs from the PDF with exact matches found in the PDF pages. So make sure your product feed is up to date and that the content includes all the necessary SKUs. Check out the link in the description for more details. We'll go to the editor to see how the feature works now. Once in the editor, click the Auto Tag SKU icon at the top right of the screen. Choose whether you want to show the hotspot icon or not, and click Auto Tag SKUs. After a few seconds, our hotspots are created, covering the SKU area. You can resize and reposition the hotspot as needed to cover the product as per your needs. Whenever you add new pages to your publication, you can re-trigger SKU tagging from the same place in the editor. Auto tagging is also available when uploading a new PDF file. That's all for this video. Relevant knowledge-based articles are linked in the description below. Thank you for watching, happy publishing, and see you in the next one.